Good day, sir and madam. I am Irene Rolyon. I am 45 years old. I am married, blessed with 2 children. I have experience as a household helper in the Philippines in 3 years. I served one couple and 3 children, and also work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. In 3 months, I served one couple and 7 children. Sir, Madam, my main duties are cleaning. My main duties are taking care of children, taking care of elderly, cleaning the house. Sir, Madam, I am hardworking, honest, and loyal. Sir, Madam, my future employer, thank you in advance. If you hired me, I promise I will do my best to serve your family. Thank you, Sir, Madam.